So if you are gonna buy or looking for a monitor in the market, so you might be wondering, what should I opt for? A gaming monitor or a media consumption monitor? If you opt for a gaming monitor, then the monitor will lack the color accuracy and picture quality. On the other hand, if you opt for a media consumption monitor, then you will have to compromise with the gaming features. Options are very limited, especially if you are looking for a monitor in the budget segment. So friends, in today's video, we are gonna talk about a budget monitor from AOC, which will provide you the features from both gaming as well as the media consumption monitors combined in a single one. So if you are looking for a good monitor in your budget, so watch this video till the end. Hello guys, my name is Ayush, you are watching Mostly Techy, and let's start the video. Shall we? Let's start with the unboxing of this monitor. So this is an AOC 22-inch LCD monitor, 21.5 inch to be precise. The model is 22B2H. Inside the box, you will find an AOC supporting CD, a monitor stand connector, a power adapter for the monitor, a standard style power cable, a HDMI cable which is of good quality, a generic looking monitor stand base, and lastly the monitor itself wrapped inside the scratch resistant material. Assembling the monitor is very easy, but in case if you face any difficulty doing that, you can follow the instructions given on the retail box. Now talking about the monitor, the AOC 22B2H comes with 22-inch VA panel display. In this monitor, you will get 3-sided frameless or borderless design, meaning that the top, left and right bezels of this monitor are very thin. However, the bottom bezel is slightly thicker than the other 3 sides, but that is still completely fine. I wanna say this monitor looks really sleek with its borderless bezels and its matte finish. The matte finish really helps in hiding fingerprint marks that can be made in the handling of the monitor. Final look of this monitor you will get is minimalistic and modern. You will get the support of VESA mount at the back side of this monitor. Now talking about the connections, you will get 1x HDMI port, 1x D-sub or VGA port, 1x 3.5mm audio jack port, and a power adapter connection port. At the bottom, you will get some buttons by which you can navigate through on-screen menu in this monitor. You will get the feature of only angle adjustment in this monitor. Now coming to the display, in this monitor you will get a VA panel. So some of you might be wondering, what is the difference between IPS and VA panel and probably the TN panel? Well, vertical alignment or VA technology is very similar architecture to the IPS or interplane switching technology. VA panels are often offered as a cheaper IPS alternatives, much in the same way as the twisted pneumatic or the TN panel is marketed. But VA panel offer much cleaner look as compared to the TN panel with better color reproduction and greater viewing angles. In the market, you will get the monitors with VA panels cheaper than the IPS displays but a bit more expensive than the TN ones. IPS panel is still a better technology in this category, but VA panels are also not bad. Now without getting deep into it, let's say that the VA panels falls between IPS and TN panels and is a mixture of both. Now coming back to the topic, the resolution of this monitor is 1920x1080 and refresh rate of 75 Hz. You will get a good color reproduction in this monitor, especially considering the budget. The response time is of 6.5 milliseconds. Viewing angles of this monitor are good for the price point. You will get 178 degree of coverage for both horizontal and vertical. Brightness of this monitor is excellent. If you are gonna use this monitor next to the window or something through where the sunlight comes in, so you are not going to face any issues regarding visibility. The only thing I do not like about the appearance of this monitor is the shape of the stand base. It's very huge and kinda looks odd with the monitor. Gaming experience with this monitor is great. If you are coming from 60Hz display directly to this monitor, then you are going to notice slight difference in terms of smoothness, as 75Hz is much smoother than the 60Hz and you can notice it while playing games. Now at last, coming to the conclusion, if your budget is around 7,000 rupees and if you are looking for a monitor with good picture quality, color reproduction and for casual gaming, so this monitor can be the perfect option for you. I will leave the Best Buy link of this monitor in the description of this video. If you are interested, you can go and check it out. So guys, this will do for this video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.